This guide will show you how to properly replace the touchscreen Raspberry Pi board in the EVO Additive Manufacturing Center. First, turn off the machine. By hand, move the X carriage to the back of the machine to allow access to the back of the touchscreen. With a 2.5mm hex wrench, remove the 4 screws in the back of the touchscreen housing. Unplug the USB and power wires. Unscrew the 4 screws holding the Pi to the front panel. Remove the Pi screen combo. Unplug the Ethernet and fan cables. Take several pictures of the wiring for future reference when plugging everything back in. Pause the video here for a detailed look at the wiring. Remove the wiring. Remove the 4 screws that hold the Pi to the screen with a small Phillips head screwdriver. Replace the Pi and micro SD card. Place the new Pi onto the screen standoffs and insert the 4 screws. By referencing the picture taken earlier, plug the small colored wires back where they were in their previous positions. Reinsert the Pi screen combo. Plug in the Ethernet and fan cables. Screw in the 4 screws holding the Pi to the front panel. Plug in the USB and power wires. Screw in the rear cover with the 4 screws into the back of the touchscreen. Turn on the machine and test the touchscreen to make sure everything's working properly.